Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. I feel like this episode is going to get a little flaky.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
These are Christmas tree ornaments, and I chose them because this is our first year as 3D printers, and I wanted something 3D printed on the tree. This white one was designed by Protechnordic and was printed at 205 degrees with a 60-degree bed and a 0.2 layer height. This was printed in AI Robotics white. This blue one was designed by seajseven but was remixed by JacobF. This was also printed at 205-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed with a 0.2 layer height. This was printed with Hatchbox Blue, bought from Printed Solid. Both of these models' links will be in the description below. I want to talk about this white one first. I like that it's symmetrical and there's more than one hanging point. And I really like the detail, and it makes a really good drink coaster. Now I want to talk about this blue one. I like this blue one more because of the, I don't know, it's kind of like the angle of the sides. I don't know why this hole's in the middle. I feel like this hole is way too big for the string. I just found out that this hole is so really big so that you can scale it down and still put the string through it. I just really think this is going to be a good ornament for the tree. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. What do you call an old snowman? Water.